Stop phrasing when you speak at hotel. Start speaking naturally. This lesson will give you ready to use English sentences. From check-in to check-out, everything you need simple English. Hello and welcome. Today you are going to learn something very practical. We are going to go inside a hotel, not just in your mind, but in real life English situation. You will learn how to speak, ask and understand, step by step. This lesson is simple, clear and useful. If you're a traveler, this will help you a lot. Let's begin this story. Imagine you arrive at the hotel after a long trip. You are tired but also a little excited. You walk to the reception desk. A friendly hotel worker smiles at you. This is your moment to speak English. You say, "Hello, I have a reservation." This sentence is simple and very powerful. It tells the staff everything they need to know. If you want to sound a little more natural, you can say, "Hello, I have a booking under my name." Both are correct and easy to use. If the staff asks, "Can I see your ID?" you can answer, "Yes, here it is." This is polite and natural English. Now, the staff may ask, "What is the reservation under?" You can say, "The reservation is under your name." Or you can say your name clearly. If they ask, "How many nights?" you can answer, "2 nights." Simple, direct, clear. You do not need complex grammar. Simple English is enough. Let's continue the story. The staff gives you your room key. They may say, "Your room is the 3rd floor." You can respond, "Thank you." Then you can ask, "Where is the elevator?" This is very useful question. Another option, "Where is the lift?" Both are correct. This will help you move easily in the hotel. When you arrive at your room, you open the floor. Maybe something is not working. For example, the air conditioner is not working. You can say, "The air conditioner is not working." Or, more politely, "Excuse me, the air conditioner is not working." This is a very important sentence. If you can explain a problem, you feel more confident. The staff will help you. You can also say, "The room is too cold," or "The room is too hot." Simple words, simple structure. Now you are solving problems in English. Let's say you want something. Maybe extra towels. You can call the receptions and say, "Can I have extra towels, please?" Or, "I need more towels." Both are correct. If you want to sound polite, always add "please." These small words makes a big difference. Sometimes you may need help. You can say, "Can you help me, please?" Or, "I need help." If you do not understand something, you can say, "Can you repeat that?" This is very important. Do not be afraid to ask again. It is normal. Now let's talk about the bedroom. Maybe you need to ask something. You can say, "Is there hot water?" Or, "How do I use the shower?" If something is not clear, ask, "Can you show me how it works?" That is a very useful sentences. Now imagine you want to order food. Many hotels have room service. You can say, I would like to order food, or can I see the menu? The staff may say, what would you like to order? What would you like to order? You can answer, I would like a sandwich and a bottle of water. This is simple and natural English. You can also say, I am a vegetarian. This helps the staff understand your needs. Let's move to another situation. You want to ask about Wi-Fi. Very important today's world. You can ask, what is the Wi-Fi password? Or how can I connect to Wi-Fi? The staff will help you quickly. Now you are connected and ready. Sometimes you may want to leave the hotel. You can say, I am checking out, or I want to check out. The staff may ask, did you enjoy your stuff? You can say, yes, it was great, or yes, thank you very much. This is polite and friendly. Let's imagine one more situation. You lost something, maybe your key. You can say, I lost my key, or I cannot find my key. This is important. Stay calm and speak clearly. The staff will help you find it. You may also need direction inside the hotel. You can ask, where is the gym? Or where is the swimming pool? You can also say, how do I get to the restaurant? These sentences help you move around easily. Now, let's build your confidence. You do not need perfect English. You only need useful English. Every sentences you learned here is practical. You can use them immediately. So, right now, this is how real learning happens. Imagine yourself speaking clearly at a hotel. You check in without stress. You ask questions without fear. You solve problems easily. This is possible for you step by step. You are improving. Keep going. You are doing well. Now, let's review important phrases. I have a reservation. Can I see your ID? Where is the elevator? The air conditioner is not working. Can I have extra towels? Can you help me, please? What is the Wi-Fi password? I am checking out. I lost my key. These sentences are your tools. Use them again and again. You can practice by repeating with me. Listen and repeat. Speak out loud. Do not be silent. Speaking is the key to improving. If you make mistakes, it is okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake makes you stronger. Small steps every day create big results. Now, let's think about your next trip. Where will you go? A hotel in another city? Maybe another country? Now you are ready to speak. You have the language tools. Remember this. Simple English is powerful English. Clear sentences are better than complex ones. Communication is the goal. You are not just learning words. You are learning how to live in English. This is a big step. Be proud of your progress. Now I want to ask you something. Which phrase will you use the most? I have a reservation, or can you help me? Or maybe, what is the Wi-Fi password? My favorite is that. What is the Wi-Fi password? Write your answer, my friend, and practice it today. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep learning, keep listening, keep speaking. Your English will improve step by step, and believe in your progress. If you like the video, please subscribe and click like, my friend. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.